Here we got a 2017 Ford F-150 crew cab truck, 29,000 mile, went over with clean Carfax. In blue, really nice truck here. Has the chrome pack and the 302A pack, which I'll get into so what that means as we kind of go over this truck on the outside and in. We'll start here with the chrome package. One thing you'll notice is the upgraded grille. You can see the 5-bar horizontal grille there with the Ford badge in between. You also get the chrome tow hooks and the chrome lower bumper face. You can see the halogen headlamps and fog lights integrated into the front bumper as well. So we work our way around to the side. The first thing you'll notice, it has the upgraded 20-inch chrome plated wheels. Comes with the chrome package on Goodyear Wranglers. About average tread wear here, probably about 30 seconds of depth left. Also, you can see we have a nice resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. That's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that inspection signed up by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. Before I get into showing you that, I just want to show you the interior. You can see you do have a full power passenger seat, including lumbar. 40-20-40 fold down split center console bench, which is nice, gives you 6 passenger seating if need be. You see the kind of two-tone dark charcoal, light gray cloth interior with some aluminum embellishments here. Really doesn't breaks up the monotony of the sometimes monotone interiors that you get on vehicles these days. And I'm just going to pull out this inspection sheet I spoke of. And you can see we go completely over the vehicle. And the main thing I want to show you, about actually 30 seconds of depth you can see on all the tires there. Also brakes, keep that up there, brand new all the way around. So we place pads all the way around on it. That's one thing we really want to do. We don't want you to spend any money on these vehicles after you purchase them from them. We do go over them, fresh inspection sticker, oil change, replace air filters, and new brakes all the way around. Looking in the back, you can see Super Crew, extremely spacious, plenty of leg, hip, and shoulder room. Also does have a power charging outlet there on the back if you want to stay connected. It's a short bed, 145-inch wheelbase, 5.5-foot box, as you can see there. Also want to give you a shot of the frame rail. You can see zero rust or oxidation, good looking. You also get a chrome exhaust tip on the chrome package, chrome rear bumper. It does have the ultrasound sensors in it as well. It does have the Class 3 tow hitch with the integrated wiring, 7-way round, 4-way flat. It does have the backup camera, as you can see there. So it comes with a Ford factory soft tonneau cover, as you can see there as well, and a drop-in liner. Protect the bed. Continue around to the side, just showing you all the tires do match. They're all Goodyears. Give you a shot of this frame rail as well. You can see very good underneath. Door-to-door chrome running boards is a part of the chrome package. Chrome door handles and mirror caps. Also, again, another look through the interior. Very clean, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. Ford does give you the ability to use combo entry exit, so you can leave the vehicle running if you're running in for a short errand. Of course, full power seat on the driver's side as well, as you can see there. And also got all your door locks, windows, and mirror controls right here. They are heated mirrors, as you can see there. Let's go ahead and jump in. 29,590 original miles, if you can see that there. Let's start it up. And I explained at the beginning of the video, it has a 302A pack. I'm going to kind of show you some of the options that gives you. You do have the fog lights, as I explained, automatic headlamp settings. This is a dimmer. We do have power pedals, which is a nice upgrade, and electronic e-brake. The stem to the left is your high beams and turn signals, intermittent wiper washers. To the right is the column shifter, gives you the ability to select any of the gears of the multi-speed transmission. You have your tow, haul, and sport modes at the end. Control panel here for the center display. See distance till empty is shown, oil life. You got your digital speedometer, tire pressure monitoring, your different temperatures. You also got your cruise control here to the lower left. Audio controls on the steering wheel, Bluetooth sync, hands-free to the right. Electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer cases here. It does have the trailer park assist, which is a nice feature as well. It does have the big touchscreen radio, which is a part of the package I spoke of. You have AM, FM, satellite radio, ability to pair your phone's apps and settings. We also have heated cloth seats, which is another option that comes with that 301A. And I also want to show you here, we do have 2 keys, but the final thing that comes with it is factory remote start. So those are all kind of the options that come with that package. We do have your USB and your charging ports there. Some cup holders on the floor as well as in the drop down center console. Little cubby there to keep some items. We do have an electronic dimming rearview mirror. We do have LED map lights, a power sliding window, rear window glass. No illumination on the visors, but very well equipped with this particular package, and looks good with the chrome package on the outside. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Show you underneath. Now this vehicle has an EcoBoost. It is not the 3.5 liter. This is the 2.7 liter. Actually, of the turbocharged 6-cylinder engines, gives you the most efficient fuel efficiency. You see it's quiet, no exhaust leaks, fluid leaks, no corrosion on any of the electrical terminals. Obviously less than 30,000 miles. It looks like a new engine underneath here, as you can see. But for most people, the 2.7 will do the job that they need it to do. Now, if you're gonna do some heavy duty hauling, max trailering, you're probably not gonna wanna go with the 2.7 engine. But for most of us, like myself, this truck is more than capable. I believe around 9,000 pounds is the telling, but don't hold me to that, but I think it's right around there. So, I kind of showed you the truck. One thing I wanted to show you that I did not real quick, my apologies. I'd like to show you, we do keep a copy of the auto history report there on the dash, no accidents. But I also want to kind of walk around this truck, be your eyes and ears, show you any cosmetic imperfections. We only try to buy the cleanest off lease and fleet vehicles. So typically, we're just gonna find a couple stone chips maybe, minor scratches. We do have a professional company come in, pull any minor dents, touch up any major scratches if there are any. But we want to give people a like new vehicle at a used car price. That's what we're all about. That's what our business model is based off of. So we're going to try to recondition these vehicles to like new. So the only thing you are losing out on by purchasing this truck is a higher car payment. Otherwise, it's going to look and feel and be serviced like a new one. And this truck is much in the mold of what we're looking for. Cub, a little minor scratches and a few stone chips, but all in all, very much a like new alternative. A couple little stone chips here on the hood. Across the front lip here, I'll just pan across. But like I say, an excellent like new alternative. Does still have the remainder of the factory warranty transferable to the next owner, so you can buy it with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us, look us up on the web, www.allthingsautomotive.com. Come visit us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania, or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.